how to share your Shein cart. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can share your Shein cart to someone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to share your cart so that you want your family to maybe, let's say, review the products they're trying to add and then buy, so that you want to ask them permissions, you cannot share them the account details, but you want to share them the cart and the products that you've added to your cart. So to do this is actually very simple, but make sure that the Shein app is updated because this is a new feature. Previously we didn't have this option, but now we do have, so make sure that your Shein app is updated. After that, open the Shein app and then you should see this type of interface where come to the cart tab from the bottom right of the screen, and here you'll be able to see a list of products you've added to your cart. And if you look at the very top of the cart page, you'll find a little share icon here. So now you can just tap this little share icon and here you can see share my cart. So basically now you can select all the products that you added to your cart, tap the share option here, and now you can either choose to copy the link or send it to your family and friends via WhatsApp Messenger or other social media platforms, because this way they will be able to review the products that are on your cart. This way you will be able to share your Shein cart. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.